So you not only get wheels that have a nice even worn tread, you get some extra rubber pieces left over, and or vinyl depending on the tire. But I guess you could probably glue those to the rear bottom of the fender well after, you know, cars do a burnout and throw the rubber up all over the body. So I mean, you might be able to use it for that. Yeah, so maybe that's a benefit. Here's the Duster Funny Car. It's finished. Got the lights up on the top. Decals are looking good. Clear coat's working okay. All the parts are on. And this car comes with a post here to hold the body up if you want to display it that way. But we can take that off. You can't leave it on because the body won't go all the way down, but if you take it off and you just put it off to the side, it'll work just fine. And I like the way it came out. Like I mentioned before in a previous video, I've built these cars, several of them when I was much younger. It's the same kit as the Cop Out, of course. It was actually used as one of the funny cars for Snake and Mongoose set by Monogram. But it's a good kit. It's kind of basic, maybe compared to kits today, but again, it's not a complicated build, so just about anybody could build this car or build this model. I chose to use these decals here, my own choice, because of something that happened to the other decals that I wanted to use, and that's in a previous video. If you want to look that up, I will put the link below in the description, so you can see what happened to the decal choice I first had. But it's a good kit, and it came out well, and there's not much else to say really. It's painted in Tamiya white, nothing special. The chassis is a dark green to match this green that comes in the decal here. So I wanted to try to get something close to that, so I used the dark green. I did paint the grille on it. I masked it off and painted it silver. These headlights are from the original decal set that came with the model kit. Has flames all the way down it and everything. I didn't use those, of course, because I use my own decals. The 426 and the 911 and the Dunkin' Donuts decals I printed myself on my brother printer that I have here at home. It'll only print in black, so that's why the decals are black. The other decals are aftermarket decals that I bought many years ago. I also painted the bumper on the back silver. Spin this around. So that's what the back looks like. Tail light decals came with the kit. I used those. And that's about it. And if you like Mopars or Dusters or funny cars, this would be a good kit to choose. It's the Duster that has the, I'll just show it here in case you missed the first video. It's this kit right here. So if you see this kit, that's what I made it out of. So it says Flashpoint on the decals with the flames. And then here's the side of it originally. So that's the kit I used. And this is my version of what I wanted to make with it. And that's about it. Just quick and sweet. It's done. And I hope you like it as much as I do. And that's about it. Later.